Hi guys, thanks so much for stopping in today. All right, so before we go any further with today's video, can I please take a minute, guys, and send an enormous thank you out to Lull, Lull, guys, for partnering with me on today's video. Lull saw that Eric and I were really down to the wire trying to get our uh, basement guest bedroom all together and finished, guys. So they graciously sent us out one of their queen size luxury memory foam mattresses. Thank you so much, Lo. Oh my gosh, you guys see Eric and I here taking a little siesta on it right now. So before we get into the decorating of the bedroom, which we are going to do here shortly, and let me tell you, Eric and I are having so much fun decorating this little space, this little room down here in the basement. It's like a little playhouse, but I wanted to give you guys a few details on the Lull mattresses, okay? So as you can see here, I'm using my Ring camera, and our post guy here, I think that's FedEx, just dropped off our Lull mattress. And believe it or not, guys, all of the Lull mattresses are delivered, okay? It's free delivery, free shipping, okay? So you don't have to go and spend time in the furniture stores anymore trying to hassle and haggle with the sales associates over what mattress is going to be the best fit for you. You can order your mattress in the privacy of your own home, and it is delivered, as you saw here, right to your front door. So Eric, as you can see, is relocating the mattress to our basement, and he's just gonna take the scissors, remove the plastic, and guys, we are in business. And so, guys, we needed to give our Lull mattress 24 hours to expand fully. However, as you saw, guys, it was already expanding right out of the box, and Eric was having a hard time leaving this mattress and waiting until the next day.
So as you can see, we are in full relaxation mode on our new Lull mattress. You know, the shipping was free. They deliver it right to your house. It comes in a, you know, for a mattress, a pretty small box that's easy to move around. And I can tell you, compared to our previous experiences buying mattresses where you either got to pay for delivery, you got to go to the mattress store, talk to them, set up a delivery date, or I think we've all tried to strap the mattress to like the roof of our car. You can try it out for 100 nights. If you don't like it, send it back.
Free return.
So it's risk free. I found the Lull website is really easy to navigate. You just you find a mattress you want, you order it, and it shows up. You like really firm mattresses.
I do.
And I used to like soft, but you've always bought our mattresses, so I've warmed up to the firm mattresses.
Yeah.
What I like about this, I think it fits either sleep style.
Yeah.
It's firm, but with the memory foam, it's also soft at the same time.
Right, and it doesn't shift and move
No.
and behave. You know, like in the hotels. So I have a hotel phobia. I'm sure most of you know by now. I do not like for Eric to move around in the bed. I get in my little cocoon, my little spot, and I don't want you to move because I don't like the mattress to shift.
Yeah, she is weird.
You know?
I really love the experience. I'm surprised. You know, the mattresses we bought have not been cheap.
Oh no.
So I was surprised you could get a luxury mattress delivered over the internet for this price. I would definitely do this again later.
All right, guys, so right now we're gonna go ahead and dress this bed. I want to show you guys just how fabulous this Lull mattress looks, all decked out in its covers and pillows. All right, but before I go, I want to send yet again a huge shout out and thank you to Lull for partnering with me on this particular video. Thank you guys so very much. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you are interested, and I know at this point you guys all are interested in how you can receive your very own Lull mattress, well, I will be leaving a discount code below, a link for where you can go and receive $100. Yes, $100 off of your very own Lull mattress. So once again, thank you so much, Lull, for sending this mattress over. Believe me, it will get used, okay? So let's go ahead now and decorate this